Today we're heading down the Feather River Canyon to meet up with Dave Valley. So we're going to meet a couple of Forest Service employees up there, Michelle Jimenez-Holtz, the Storrie Fire liaison, and Mike Hundorf, wildlife biologist. And we're taking part in a bird monitoring project.
I think today was a very successful day, and our students were really enthusiastic and ecstatic about seeing some young birds occupying the nest and actually seeing the parents coming and going. So it was a really good day.